Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. I'm Steve, and today I've got a special little midweek video for you. Really, it's just a shout out to another YouTube channel. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, honestly, just because I haven't got any new stickers from anyone. So if you're watching this and you have a YouTube channel and you've got one of these stickers representing your channel, send me an email and I'll shoot you the address. Send me your sticker and I'll do a shout out for your channel as well. If you're not sure what this is all about, it's really just kind of a way to network with other channels, other creators, and a way to get different audiences to see channels that they may not have found on their own. So for an example, I'll use Tractor Talk with Gary. Gary was the first one that ever sent me a sticker, and I had no idea what this sticker thing was, and then I realized that he would put his sticker up on, or the sticker that I would send to him, he'd put it up and talk about the channel and get his viewers to subscribe to my channel. So I thought, man, what a great idea, So I've done that over the last probably year or so, I guess, and you can see I got a couple really good channels on here, and we kind of build this network. I actually have like a cheat sheet that I keep with my laptop, and there's about 35 to 40 channels that I watch daily. At night after dinner, I'll sit down and I'll look at the new videos for the day, and I'll watch the videos, I'll comment. Sometimes we get these things called hypes. You get 3 of them a week. So I'll kind of spread those around to different channels and just try to help each other out, because like the old saying says, it takes a village. And this YouTube thing ain't easy. And any way we can kind of get ahead to help each other out, we like to do. So alright, so let me get into this. The channel is called Weekend Warrior 802, and it is run by a cool guy named Kris, and Kris lives in Vermont, and you can tell that by, well, he sent me quite a few of these stickers here, but one of them is in the shape of Vermont. So as you know, I grew up in New Hampshire, so to have a fellow New Englander as part of my YouTube network, it's pretty cool. So his channel is pretty much about anything to do with logging. He does milling. He's got not a firewood mill, but a wood mill. I know he does some firewood stuff too. And of course he's got tractors, so there's always interest there for me. One of them is a Kubota, I think it's an L48, which I had never even heard of before. As it turns out, it's a pretty sweet backhoe type unit. It has a nice subframe backhoe that he explained to me, but you can take that off and use a 3-point hitch for different attachments. And so he had a video on there in true New Englander style, putting some lights on it about an hour before it got dark out, so that he could plow his driveway with it. So, but what really got me was he also has a John Deere 950, and the 950 is dear to me. I had one of those a few years back. I think his is a 1985. I had a 1988. They built them from the 70s through the late 80s, and just a really cool machine. It's a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel. He has the number 80 loader on his, the same as mine. I'll try to put some pictures up of the different tractors, and I'll throw one of mine up there too. I even have a Facebook group that's Vintage John Deere Compact Tractors, and I don't have the tractor anymore, but I still enjoy the tractors. They're pretty cool. Very well-built machines. So, and I'm sure that Kris can attest to that. So anyway, he sent me a letter. I'll read through real quick. Just says, "Hey Steve, thanks for the kind words. Been enjoying your shorts and projects too, especially the skid steer build. It is remarkably interesting." So I'm assuming he's talking about the current skid steer. That would be Sideshow Bobcat. We also did one last year. It was the John Deere 70. So I'm glad you're enjoying it. I appreciate that. I never know what project I'm going to be working on next, because I'm a master at starting things and quite the opposite of finishing. Boy, do I know how that goes. YouTube is a great way of bringing like-minded people together and providing an excellent source of entertainment and knowledge. Wish I had found your channel sooner. It's great. Thank you, Kris. Well, I appreciate you, Kris, and I'm glad I found your channel as well. I think I'm going to put the one in the shape of Vermont up here, and maybe I'll put one of each up just to make it look like my board's filling up. I watched some of these guys in the backyard with Dell, Tractor Talk with Gary, And they've got tons of stickers on their doors, so I'd like to add some more. I'm going to put you up here. You're in good hands, Kris. You're underneath Artie, Gravely Man Small Engine Repair, another great channel. He's always up plowing snow right now with his Gravelies. Noel's Garden Tractor and Firewood, one of my favorites. Noel, you're my buddy. I love you, dude. I love watching Noel's channel. He does firewood, lawn tractors. He's always tinkering with things. He just fixed a DeWalt Impact the other day. He's really handy. And he has a huge sticker board. In fact, he's got 2 of them. And he does the Sunday afternoon fireside chat with Noel. And he'll basically go through all the different channels and what they've put out for the week. So just a really nice tribute to everybody that he supports. And I always look forward to hearing what he's got to say about mine. Of course, I listen to everybody's, but and then you're above Blanket Chip Farm out in Alaska. Dylan, they do amazing, awesome things. I'll just run through these real quick because there really isn't too many on here. Firewood Adventure, that's Kenny. He's also up in Canada. A lot of Canada channels and lots of firewood channels, so I guess tractors and firewood can go hand in hand. Jeff, Adirondack Woodsman, he's in New York. Well, it's winter now, he kind of took a break, but he's building a big pole barn area for his milling. I call it milling. I guess it's a wood mill, I watch enough of him, you'd think I'd have the right terminology for it, but anyway, he does lots of firewood and woodwork as well. Kev at Kev's Can Cave, he just put up a new video the other day. He kind of taking a little break for a little bit, but he's got some really cool, little bit of everything, like signs, memorabilia, like eclectic things, stuff from the past, obviously cans, all types of beer cans and memorabilia, and he always puts up some cool shorts that plays games kind of guessing like when certain things came out or what it meant and everything. So Brock from Lewis Mowers, another great channel. He's got a pet squirrel named Chuckles, and he's my favorite character. Sorry, Brock. But another great channel. He does everything: snowblowers, lawnmowers, snowmobiles, you name it, it's all on there. I think I got everybody: Gary, Artie, Kris, Noel, Kenny, Dylan, Jeff, Kev, Brock, and Dell. Dell I kind of touched on. He's in North Carolina, probably the closest one to me. I'm hoping to make a trip maybe this summer and check him out. But he does firewood and tractors. He's got one of those cool little stand on the back tracked skid steers. It's one of the Chinese versions. He calls it the Soy Sauce Express, so that's pretty cool. So check out all these channels. They're all great channels. And definitely swing over and see Kris at Weekend Warrior 802. Just click on one of his videos and leave a comment. Let him know Steve from Rusty Wrench Restoration sent you. If you haven't subscribed yet already, please do. I think he's at like, is it 338 or 383? I don't know. He's close to 400, so maybe we can get him over to the 400. So I really enjoy doing these, and hopefully you check out his channel. Hit the subscribe, check out some of his videos, and let's help grow each other's communities. So with that being said, I'll say it one more time. If you got a channel, you got a sticker, send it to me. We'll do a shout out. Hopefully we can exchange some subscribers, get those numbers up. Marcel from Cedarstone Estate, a few weeks ago we jumped up there and got him over his 1,000 viewer mark. So hopefully his watch time hour is good and he can start getting paid on YouTube, because that 4 to 7 cents a video just really does help, you know. So anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering. All great channels. Check out Weekend Warrior 802. Kris has got some great stuff, and I'll see you this weekend. Let's see. So this weekend we've got a cool video coming up about a new implement that I got for Bozo. And there's another machine sitting right here. It's just out of view of the camera. I made that so that you couldn't see it. That's going to be coming up in 2 weeks, and 2 Saturdays from now. It's something I've never had before. It's something I've always wanted. It's got a bit of family history to it. Not this specific one, but one like it. And I think it's going to be a really cool project for the channel, so I'm really looking forward to y'all seeing that. I usually have my videos, like today's Tuesday, not even sure what the date is today, and I usually have my videos about a week or 2 out, so it's going to be 2 more Saturdays till you see that, but it's worth the wait. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to me, please do that too. Alright, we'll catch you in the next one.